Hi y'all, welcome back to Tasty Yet Healthy. I'm Tracy and this is my kitchen. Thanks so much for joining me today. We are making a very tasty yet healthy treat today. We're having peanut butter chocolate banana ice cream. It's a mouthful, but it is delicious. And it's full of all kinds of wonderful, healthy ingredients. So let's get cooking. So we are making a fabulous treat. We have these summer months coming in, and who doesn't like ice cream? The best thing is this has no dairy in it, so it's a lot healthier for you. The one thing that you want to do in advance is freeze some bananas. You want to peel them and just put them in the freezer a night before, a week before, whatever you want. I have 6 bananas here. Already peeled. I've broken them into 2s or 3s so it's easier inside the blender. And then we have some whey protein. This is grass-fed and organic. I'm really excited about it because it is dark chocolate cocoa. So it's going to make our ice cream taste even better. We have peanut butter, oat milk, and cocoa powder. So this is going to be a very delicious chocolate ice cream. So all we have to do is put it all in the blender and then put it in the freezer. When it's all blended, you just want to take a loaf pan that can go in the freezer and fill your ice cream into it. Now all we have to do is cover it and put it in the freezer for at least about 6 hours or so. I'm going to leave mine overnight until tomorrow. I'll see you back here then. I'm so excited. The long-awaited ice cream is ready. Long-awaited by minimum 6 hours. We let ours be in the freezer overnight. So ice cream is one of those things that if you want to prep in the morning, it will be ready that night for dinner or dessert. But if you're like me and you prepped it at night, then it won't be ready till the next day. So it is ready to go now. It's super easy. If you have bananas, some protein, chocolate powder, peanut butter on hand, you're good to go with chocolate peanut butter banana ice cream. So with that mouthful, let's give it a try. Ice cream is so good. And this is definitely an ice cream that I can indulge in and not worry about any negative thoughts or feelings about it. Give it a try. Let me know if you do and if you like it. And if you like it, share the video with someone else. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time in the Tasty Yet Healthy Kitchen.